This guide will help you download usage reports on Zendesk easily. Follow these steps to access and save your reports. Step 1. Log into Zendesk. Access your Zendesk account by entering your credentials on the login page. Ensure you have the necessary permissions to view usage reports. Step 2. Navigate to the Reports section. Once logged in, find the Reports or Analytics section in the main menu. This is where you can access various reporting tools and options. Step 3. Select Usage Reports. In the Reports section, look for the option labeled Usage Reports. Click on it to view the different types of usage reports available for your account. Step 4. Choose the desired report. Browse through the list of available usage reports and select the one you wish to download. You may have options for different time frames or specific metrics. Step 5. Download the report. After selecting the report, look for a download button or link. Click it to download the report in your preferred format, such as CSV or PDF, and save it to your device. By following these steps, you can easily download usage reports from Zendesk. Make sure to check back regularly for updated reports to stay informed about your account's performance.